one chance. Only one chance.
That's not. Galing.
Wow!
Dito kasi ka na nakikita nag-iisip. Saan yan?
Get down, get down. Okay.
Faster.
Come on. Oh, what's that taste?
Saan yan?
Only one chance, ha? Only one chance. Who's hungry? You hungry na, Mandy?
Yes. I want McDo.
Do?
I want jolly.
No, McDo.
Oh yeah, how are we gonna choose, Mandy?
I don't know. McDo.
You sure about McDo? Is that your favorite?
Yes.
But you also want Jollibee, right?
Yeah, Mama wants Jollibee and you want McDo.
So I can play at the playground.
What?
Okay, how about
Which nuggets do you like, McDo or Jollibee?
McDo.
Okay, now we are really gonna know if your favorite is really McDo, okay?
Yeah.
We are going to buy from Jollibee and from McDo. Then after that, you're going to guess
Papa
which
will,
food, okay?
we will-
Nuggets,
we will test
nuggets, chicken, fries. That's it, right, Andy?
let's make a test.
But you have to blindfold, okay? So
Wow.
if you're really going to choose your favorite, okay?
Where's the one that we're gonna use?
Can you use my tongue?
Oh, yeah, you can use your senses, your nose,
Your
your
tongue.
tongue, but not your eyes. You will use your tongue because you will taste it. You will really eat it.
And guys, I just eat one and do it's orange.
Okay, you ready?
Ready? Challenge.
Popsicle! Yeah!
Challenge accepted.
Accepting.
Guys.
Accepting.
So we're gonna
Oh,
get,
let's-
we're
let's
going to
try
drive
fruits,
to
oh.
first, Mandy, ah.
There's
We're
no-
going to drive through first. Let's go.
Let's go.
Orange!
Hi po, good afternoon po.
In you go.
Birthday.
Happy birthday.
Can I eat
So
the chicken
let's
nuggets
check.
now?
There's chicken nuggets.
Can you just eat it now?
Oh, not yet. You have to remember the smell. You have to remember the smell.
But we're not allowed to smell it.
You're,
Oh.
you're allowed to smell.
Mandy, smell mo na para ano, may hint ka mamaya.
You're allowed to
Oh my
smell.
God, it's so yummy. Smells so yummy, guys.
Okay, there's... Wait lang, Papa. Parang ako yung magte-taste test. Oh, Papa, kumukuha.
Oh, smell mo muna. That will help you.
Smell.
Smell it.
It smells bored.
Oh, this
Does
one.
it smell the same? Okay, that's your clue, ah.
Ito.
Whoa! Holy cow.
Okay.
Okay, let's do it. Let's do it.
I can do it.
You can do it.
How about the chicken?
Wag na, di ko naman pinaamoy sa kanyang chicken.
Ah,
I
okay.
will smell this.
Pero meron dyan,
I will
meron.
smell this.
Ay, meron.
This is fine.
Okay, first is fries. Right, Mama?
Yeah, wait. Papa, take out the fries.
Okay. So, we are ready the fries here.
I think I know which one we are gonna get.
Don't look down.
No cheating.
Okay,
Mama,
even if
don't
you
like
look.
kind of this.
Wait lang. Ayusin ko nga.
Ow!
So yan guys, it's easy to see, right?
Okay.
Okay.
Give me.
No,
Wait,
not
wait.
yet. Mama, make sure here, ah.
Okay.
She doesn't
Do you
see
see this?
anything.
What's this?
Okay.
No,
Not yet,
okay.
Mami.
She's not
We will
see-
just put it in your mouth.
Okay.
Okay.
Fix the camera.
You get here in the middle. Okay. That's it.
That's it.
First one. Wow. Okay, Mama. You do the honor.
Okay. You choose McDo or Jollibee. This is
Only one chance, ah. One chance. Go.
fries edition. Oh.
McDo.
Wait.
That's it, you taste it.
Where did that come from, Mama?
Here, dito.
Ah, oh yeah. We also forgot. Okay. Get down, get down. Okay.
Faster.
Come on. Oh, what's that taste?
Saan yan?
Only one chance, ha? Only one chance.
Jollibee.
Okay, well, not yet. Next try.
Next try. Are you sure? Do you want to drink something so that it will be removed?
No.
You drink soda.
Okay.
No!
Okay, that's good.
Okay.
Okay, your taste buds still good?
Saan yan? Saan?
McDo.
Oh my God! She got it both wrong.
Not yet.
Ay, not yet pa ba?
We will reveal it later. For the fries, she got it correct!
Yay!
Okay.
Good job. Price done. Legit check Monday. What a taste buds.
Galing ah. Let's do that.
Here go.
Dito ka. Nuggets.
Okay.
Nuggets. Ano
Okay.
time? Nuggets time.
Okay, sa atin na to guys. Di joke lang kay Mandy to.
Okay.
Asan na?
Mm.
I will be the one. Okay.
You prepare.
Next is Monday. Are you ready for the nuggets? Okay. Okay. Nuggets time.
Should I crack
Oh
it?
yeah. Just a small one.
What's that? Galing!
Oh!
Dito kasi ka na nakikita nag-iisip. Saan yan?
McDo.
Okay.
Correct?
Not yet.
Ay, last. Isa
Oh,
pa?
for the-
Saan? Hindi pa tapos ako.
Ay, hindi pa
What?
tapos.
Di pa. Oh,
Dito
here
ka, hindi ka
ka.
na nakikita ang nilulunok mo. Oh.
Hey, don't look. Okay, that's the last one.
Okay.
May I... Okay.
Okay.
Okay, go. Nuggets. Second try.
Jollibee.
Okay. For the
Okay.
third try, we are going to mix it. We will see how many points. Okay.
Let's make it smaller lang. This is
Mga
still
baka mabusog na.
this is still nuggets, okay.
Here. Come
Let me
on.
check baka sinusuka. No.
Op.
Ay, sinusuka? Dito ka lang. Hindi ka na nakikita, oh.
Still ready? The third try, Mandy.
Are you ready? How about the rice?
No need for rice, no need.
This is another chance for the nuggets, ah.
Why?
Nothing.
You will know your point late. Your points
you will
later.
know after
Okay.
this place. To really make sure that she knows the nuggets very well. So this is another try. Syempre, pag nawala mo yung isa ng tama, tapos sinabi naming tama yun, syempre sasabihin mo na Jollibee yun, oh, diba? So, let's try to make sure. This is the last bit of this. Okay, try.
Okay.
Saang nuggets yan? Saan po yan?
McDo.
Okay, the point.
Oh my God!
Oh my God! You got it good! Oh my God! Are you kidding me? Grabe to na ba? Or you're just getting it right?
Wala! Walang Wait,
Hey,
wala pa.
Okay. Okay, last. Oh my God.
Basta mo itong vlog na to, Mandy. Tingnan mo, promise.
my
Walang
God.
daya.
Okay, we're done with the
Ang
nuggets.
galing yan!
Ano, last try chicken? Last try chicken.
Chicken, last try. Ito, hindi ako sure kung mahulaan
I
yan.
only wanna lick it.
Okay.
No, only tiny part.
Hindi siya masyado mahilig sa chicken talaga eh. So,
Okay.
ewan ko kung
So
ano.
it's still hot.
I love chicken. Nugget.
Wow, grabe, bango.
Get it right?
Umiyaming rin mga diet dyan, guys.
Only like this.
Okay. Only from the balat? Are you sure?
No.
that-
Yeah. Sige, same lang naman siguro sa ano.
Oh.
First try. Let me hold it.
Hindi pa.
Let me hold it.
Mama, wait, I just wanna lick it. I'm scared. It may be very hard.
No, Mama will blow it.
Ready?
Okay.
Taste test.
Hey.
Ready?
Now give me your saliva.
Give me yours.
Oh, get here in the
Medyo
middle.
mainit eh.
Here ka.
Get here in the middle.
Wait.
Oh, you smell? You want to smell? Alam ko na yung
Here,
gravy
here.
din.
Wait.
Hindi ka nila nakikita na nag-isip ka.
Jollibee.
Okay.
Okay. We will
Correct?
see.
We'll see.
We'll see.
Here's another.
Next. Okay. There you go.
Delicious.
Wow, really? Is it hot, Mama?
No, no.
Not anymore.
And taste buds.
Yummy taste buds.
Oh.
Yummy taste buds. Hey, here. Oh,
Here,
come
come
here. We will mix it. Only one chance. Only one chance.
McDo.
Wait,
Okay.
let me check another bite kung talagang totoo.
Okay. This is the test one. Wait.
Wait lang.
Uy.
Hey, no.
It looks like McDo.
Okay, we will do another one.
Faster?
So you will see. Okay, legit check, guys. Yan. Come here, come
Come
here.
here.
Okay. What's that?
Kind of tricky.
Kind of tricky. Kind of tricky pa. Get here, come on.
McDo?
Galing ni Wandy ah. Grabe, pinawisan ako sa'yo, Wandy.
Galing yung Andy, di ba?
Okay.
So, anong mapapatunayan dyan? Mandy really loves
Junk foods. No, fast foods.
fast food.
Yeah, even though the Jollibee.
So, fun na talaga siya. Fan ka talaga ng McDo at Jollibee. So,
Okay, next week again na Mandy, happy birthday.
sa pizza naman tayo next week.
Pizza, hindi mo siya pizza.
Very good. Galing.
Okay, wow, bye na.
Bye-bye!
Challenge accepted!